Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Let's make life easy. Make life different with Faucet Kitchen, a beautiful upgrade in your kitchen. Premium workmanship. Each part of WEWE Kitchen faucet was treated with premium workmanship, and strict inspection ensures its high performance brings you better using experience. Choose WEWE. Get a lifetime partner. Water filter faucet, chrome kitchen faucet, black kitchen faucet, oil rubbed bronze faucet, stainless faucet, black sink faucet, finish brushed nickel, polished chrome, matte black, oil rubbed bronze, brushed nickel, matte black, flow mode, stream, spray, and pause. Here are some of the specific features I love about the WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Sleek design, tulip kitchen faucet design. Make your kitchen room simple and fresh, easy to match most sink. Multifunctional outlet, water effect, 3-way spray, setting, stream, spray, pause, stream for filling water, spray for rinsing, pause for avoiding splashing. In multitask mode, CEC listed. Flow rate, 1.8 gallons per minute. Easy to install pull-down hose and water line hose altogether. Pre-installed in kitchen faucet to save much time under the sink. No require plumber. Finish DIY installation less than 30 minutes. Easy to operate, single handle, control water temperature and flow, volume easily. High arc 360-degree swivel spout, supply full range washing. Access, sprayer head always retract back to spout after each use. Easy to maintenance, superior corrosion and rust resistant finish, prevent dirty from sticking to faucet surface. Clean faucet by cloth is enough in daily use. WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Key features: design, high arc spout for increased clearance under the faucet, sleek and modern brushed nickel finish, tulip design for a simple and fresh look. Functionality: single handle operation for easy temperature and water flow control, 3-function spray head with stream, spray, and pause modes, pull-down sprayer with extended reach for flexible cleaning, drip-free ceramic cartridge for smooth operation and leak prevention. Installation: deck-mounted design for easy installation on most kitchen sinks, pre-attached pull-down hose and water lines for faster installation, D-friendly design, potentially eliminating the need for a plumber. Additional features: available with or without an integrated soap dispenser depending on model, a half-female adapter included for standard plumbing connections. WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable price, easy installation, stylish design, multiple spray functions, positive user reviews. Cons: fewer features, limited warranty. Overall, the WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet seems like a good option for budget-conscious buyers looking for a stylish and functional faucet. However, if you prioritize brand reputation, extensive features, or a long-lasting warranty, you might want to consider other options. Carefully weigh the pros and cons and read user reviews before making a decision. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the WEWE Single Handle High Arc Brushed Nickel Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.